You guys are lifting off? Oh. So I guess I'll just get an interior view and then I'll leave. Clear skies today. Alright, so we are good.
What are you getting? Well, you can load it up with fuel. Pilot, copy.
You guys are going to Fort Kent? Oh, it's far. Very interesting. It's cramped in here. Alright, well, it was good seeing ya.
Yeah, what is your name again? I'm sorry.
Tyler?
Tyler, that's right.
Yeah, I come by here often.
Yeah, I know. Sorry, I just keep, I don't see off enough. I'm bad with names, and I don't see off.
It's alright.
So, Tyler, yeah. So you wanna be flying the airlines, huh?
No, I want to fly for LifeFlight of Maine as a helicopter pilot.
Okay. Helge was saying you had questions about the airliners.
Yeah. I was curious about those, too.
It's, I love this job. Hold on.
Very nice.
LifeFlight 2 pilot copy, good for weather.
You guys are going to Fort Kent?
Roger, no wait, no destination.
It was nice seeing you.
Yeah, I cost money here. Do you
All right.
get some gas? Top it off for you? While we do the pre-flight?
I'm going to go ahead and get out of your way so you can take off.
Yeah, sounds good, man.
All right. Have a nice night. Thank you for the walk around. So, November 901 Echo Mike is getting ready for liftoff. So now we're going to close the gate. Do them a little favor so they don't have to do that. Okay? And then let them take off. Because they are going away. They're taking off, so. Alright. This looks like a good spot to get the takeoff.